English can be tricky, especially when two words look and sound almost the same. Lose and loose are a common pair that confuses many learners. One small extra letter changes the meaning completely. In this lesson, focus on the difference between lose and loose so that speaking and writing become clearer and more confident. Lose and loose are pronounced in a similar way, but they do not mean the same thing. They also play different roles in a sentence. Lose is usually an action word, or a verb, and loose is usually a describing word, or an adjective. By learning the meaning and use of each word, it becomes easier to choose the correct one whenever speaking or writing in English. The word lose is a verb. A verb is an action word. Lose means to no longer have something, to fail to keep something, or to misplace something. It can also mean to fail, for example in a game or a competition. Anytime someone stops having something, or something is taken away, the verb lose can often be used. Listen to these example sentences using the verb lose. Do not lose your keys again means make sure you still have your keys and do not misplace them. They might lose the match if they are not careful, means their team may fail and not win the game. She does not want to lose her friends, means she wants to keep her friendships and not be separated from them. In each example, something important is not kept, and that is why the verb lose is used. The word loose is an adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a noun, like a person, a place, or a thing. Loose means not tight, not firmly fixed, or free to move. If something is loose, it has more space or more freedom than usual. The word loose does not describe an action. Instead, it describes the condition or the state of something. Here are some example sentences using the adjective loose. The screws on this chair are loose means the screws are not tight and they can move. She wore a loose jacket for comfort means the jacket is not tight on her body and feels comfortable. One tooth feels a bit loose means the tooth can move slightly and is not completely fixed in place. In each sentence, loose describes the way something is, not an action. Remember the main difference between lose and loose. Lose is a verb. It is an action and means to no longer have something, to misplace something, or to fail. Loose is an adjective. It describes something that is not tight, not fixed, or free to move. When thinking of an action, use lose. When describing how tight or free something is, use loose. Here are some simple memory tricks. The word lose has one letter O, just like the word lost. Both words are about not having something anymore. The word loose has two-letter O sounds. Think of the phrase too open or too wide to remember that loose means not tight. Saying the words aloud, lose and loose, and repeating the meanings helps fix the difference in your mind. With practice, choosing the correct word will feel natural.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.